Okay, hello everybody. This is Mark in Cottonwood, and you know, when you've been in the Corvair biz and been around them so long that you forget there's new people that come into this hobby that don't have 43 years of experience. And so just wanted basically just go over some differences here. This is a 140 horsepower engine. It's got some internal problems. I don't know. I have not cracked it open yet. This is a 64 forward control, aka ramp side engine that a customer ordered and built. I built it for him. And this one here is going to donate some parts. I need a top cover. This has got a 64 style. And you can see where somebody has tried to shoot it with some oil. That usually does not work. You pretty much have to replace them. This one looks like it's got a pretty fresh bearing on it, so I'm going to give that a shot. Here are the carburetors: primary, secondary, and secondary. And of course here's the linkage. And here is the linkage. Now what's missing is a rod that goes between the cross shaft and the secondary. So it's missing some parts, but all four carburetors are on there. So we're going to get this guy up on an engine stand. I've got two here in the shop. This is the other one. It's just a bare bones, but it's good enough to take some parts off, crack into these motors and see what's in them. So I got a flywheel pressure plate on it, and we're just kind of clipping away here in the shop. It's middle of June, and it's pretty nice out here in Cottonwood today. So I just wanted to kind of give you another tale from the shop. And we got another Corvair engine back over there. That one is a 145 cubic inch FC engine. It's going to go in a van that a customer brought me. I'm going to get that van going for him. So progress is promised. This is Mark. Get out and enjoy your Corvair.